Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's been on everyone's minds, the net worth of Gigi Hadid. Gigi is not only a supermodel, but she's also a television star, and she's got a net worth of $30 million as of 2024. That's right, she's one of the highest paid models in the world. Gigi has made around $9-10 million through contracts with companies like BMW, Maybelline, Tommy Hilfiger, and Evian. She's been associated with BMW for quite some time now, and she's even starred in one of their global campaigns. But that's not all. Gigi also owns a BMW. So, there you have it, folks. Gigi Hadid's net worth is a testament to her hard work, success, and courage. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, stay motivated and keep hustling.